guys, welcome back to Robert Sheridan. In today's video, we are going to Pink Buckle in Guthrie, Oklahoma. So let's go. This is interesting. We're leaving in about 30 minutes and this is going on. We're having to jump from this car to our truck because it won't turn on. We got the golf cart and the ramp loaded and a pony in the front. So yeah, we have a golf cart and a ramp and a horse in here. And then Cricket in the back. And then we're gonna drive our motor home. Quite the rig we got going on here. Other rig is down there. That may be us.
They have to run our generator. I don't really know.
I'm something.
She's cute too.
Okay, so the setup is we're staying right across the road from the boarding facility. She is gonna have to stay in our trailer over there for the night. And then tomorrow there should be a stall opened up to put her in. So tonight she's living that sweet, sweet trailer life, which will not hurt her. So, Pink Buckle is an incentive race, and there are 50 stallions. And if your horse is sired by one of those 50 stallions, and your horse is up to date on their payments, then you can run at Pink Buckle. Now, the way we got to run this mare at Pink Buckle, she's sired by Slick by Design, my sister getting to run her, and the owner's running her. The way we got to run her is at BBR. After my sister ran back to back, I'll insert some clips.
And Kelsey Clare. This is now another second opportunity for Savannah Shelf. Lady. Yeah. Okay, here 15-7, 53, a 157. Yeah, we're going to board a 16003.
So y'all know how that went if you watched that video. If not, I'll link it in the description down below. So she ran back to back in the finals, and this woman walked up to us and she was like, "Hey, do y'all go to Pink Buckle?" We were like, "No." And she was like, "Would you?" And we were like, "Sure, but we don't have a horse eligible." And she's like, "I've got this 4-year-old and I want someone to run her in the youth incentive." So we were like, "Okay." So we tried her, we made a couple runs on her, and here we are, Pink Buckle. So that's my explanation. Oh, this is our run.
Slick French Mimosa. Little champagne and orange juice right here to rub. Wendell Shiloh, Rich Village, Missouri. Owns Wendy Shiloh on board. Shannon Renee Akerstrom. Otter Valley, California, the breeder. Slick French Mimosa. Slick by the line out of native Kenya. 174, 19, 170. Otter Valley, California.
Gosh, she's already up to 18. Wow. Oh, 22. My bad. So a stallion just sold for $74,000.
Thank you, Mr. Bill France. Super nice horse. Thank you.
That's nice.
Don't stop.
Wendy Shire, all the time from Frederick, Missouri.
Stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Yeah, that was a big one! Whoa, whoa! Get out, get out, get out! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, whoa! Whoa, that's right, go on! Ask her out, ask her out, ask her out! Last night at Pink Buckle. So, Savannah's looking really good to win oh my gosh, that's about to move. A huge, this is Henley, you can't really see her. Huge cardboard check. So, we are leaving here as soon as she gets this check and going to Texarkana for me to run Penny. And, we're good. We're good. You missed a couple sale horses. Nothing big, but you know, it's been, oh my gosh, is that rain? Anyway, it has been quite the experience. I can say that for sure. Now that there's some light, you can see Henley. Ew, that's what you do with your time on YouTube? Weird. Actually had to park across the line, so we're driving in our friend's truck right now. In her mom's truck. So yep, we just made it back to the area. Can I tell you something? What do you want to tell the vlog? I had to hurt my finger. Yeah, a mosquito bit her. Yeah, it's a real pretty night. So, you know, it's been quite the experience for sure. Hasn't it, Turgler? Yeah! But careful! Okay, I'm going to sleep. See you in a few hours. Hey, Penny girl. Hello, I know. We got here at 6 and it's like 8:15. She's like, I'm still sleepy. I'm still sleepy too, honey. Me too. I got it. You got it? Nope. so proud of Penny. I'm so proud of Penny. I like that girl's tie-dye shirt. I used to have that helmet she's riding in. Yeah. You probably can see her. Let go of me. But, yeah. Penny won the bounty race again! Yeah, last horse she bumped them. Alright, everybody, that's going to be all for this YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I'm so proud of Penny. She won the pony race. Oh, my gosh. I'm so proud of her. She did so good. She was the last horse, and she was the new leader, and I freaked out. I was so excited because we worked so hard to get there. We traveled so far. So with that being said, remember to ride with your heart, and I hope you have fun on your ride for Sheridan. Bye, guys.